Your coronavirus update for Wednesday, the 11th.
The federal government is urging Canadians abroad to come home as borders around the world close.
People infected has passed 1,000. In one state, Seattle, gatherings of more than 200.
To British Columbia for Wednesday after one airline cancelled on him.
He just announced Canada will be closing all borders to non-citizens and non-residents. There will be some exceptions to this ban, including for some U.S. citizens.
Is this the one we want? Where you going, buddy? You gotta go home down there. Nicely done, boys. Nope.
There you go. Shoot.
Quiet time.
Hey, Ivan, don't smile. You failed. I'm way too excited for this right now. Hi, Alex. Pleasure to meet you.
This is a big guy.
Albert's living his best life right now.
It's so sick.
You know where he's going.
Oh shit! My leg!
You're not the only one.
But the view though.
There he lies.
Oh, are you recording?
Yeah.
No.
Look at this. Wow. Look at it. Oh wow.
I didn't realize how deep it is.
That's like there's a death spot.
No!
He has the high ground.
Did you get that? Why are you upset, Mike?
He hated it. Look at that face.
Mike's just overfilled with just like, you're just flowing with hate right now. Ivan's living his best life. Alfred, you guys want to... That McDonald's is weighing us down. Yo. Oh. What a reveal. what do we got here? Rock beats snow every day.
I got a rock.
Where y'all going? I'm gonna go right there. Alright, you first. Dude, should have done a slow-mo.
McDonald's?
Ah! Sounded good.
I'm gonna crash the other one.
Which one? Back there?
Little pond.
You know that little rock's not gonna do anything.
Bet.
Let's go.
Alright, let's see what you got, Ivan.
What are you doing?
Are you jumping in?
Getting ready.
Oh, I'll throw the bag.
Alright, ready? Yeah.
No, I'm gonna try to do it right there.
Yeah.
Bunch of clowns. Well, Alfred and I almost ate it back there, but I think luckily for me I'm protected by Alfred's genius approach to hiking.
Spread your legs.
You okay?
McDonald's okay? You okay, man?
You good?
Yeah.
Use it. Give me some. Yeah.
You let me get in?
Yeah.
Let me get in the front.
Alright, get some momentum. Hey.
to non-citizens and non-residents. There will be some exceptions to this ban, including for some U.S. citizens.
Guys, I just saw this trending on Twitter. Number one, CBP is confirming the closure of the Canadian-American border tomorrow night at 8 p.m.
Oh man, Canada's shutting down. We're not gonna make our flight back from Vancouver.
Wait, what's this? Montana ski parks are still open. Now we just gotta figure out how to cross the border.